reckless. I give you scrap pa pa ka ka. The very next day, you boom boom brr, boom. This year.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. This video is for 8th grade students. Today is Tuesday, February 4th, 2020. We're gonna go over Quizette 3, we're gonna do CAS practice, and then Alex practice test, not Alex test, Alex practice test. Or you can also finish your handout from yesterday by keep watching the YouTube video. Okay, my strongly suggestion for you is today get your Alex practice test done, because you have a chance to do your practice test at least one before you take the real test, so you know how it looks like and which question you don't know how to do. If you cannot finish this in class, you have time at home to get it done. Again, I cannot I don't know how many times I need to emphasize this. This is your first test for the second quarter, so if you score really bad on this one, you have to wait another month to bring up your grade. Okay, so keep in mind, test at 30% of your grade, which means there's 3 grade letters, so please try your best. Do all your Alex assignment. I strongly suggest do all your Alex assignments, because test question is from Alex. If you didn't do any assignments, you're not going to know how to do your test. And please study for your test by redo the handout as many times as you can. Watch the YouTube video, make sure you understand everything. Redo the practice test. You have a choice to do a similar question for each problem. Make a flashcard. If you don't think that you can remember everything, then write it down on a flashcard. Okay, I will leave some flashcard in class. You can ask the sub to help you pass it out. Alright, so beside that, if you're 8th grade students, Mr. Jackson may come to class to help you set up your College Board account, so you can check your SAT score, and you will use that in the future as well. Alright, we're going to go down to Quizette 3. Omar is a software salesman. His base salary is $2,500. He make an additional $30 for every copy he sells. How much will he earn if he sells 50 copies? Alright, so as usual, y equals to mx plus b. Right, so slope, we're looking for each, every, and per. So we have every, $30 for every copy that he sells. So this one will be your slope. 30x plus the beginning is his base salary is $2,500. Okay, how much does he earn if he sells 50 copies? So all we need to do is plug that in place of x. So 30 times 50 plus 2,500. So that will give me 3 times 5 is 15, and seeing the 30 and 50, I have 20. I'm going to bring it over. Plus 2,500. So that will give me about $4,000. Alright, not bad. $4,000 a month. Not bad. Okay, now number 2, fill in the table using function rule. F of x equal to 5x minus 1. They ask you to solve for what happened when x is 1. What is the corresponding y value? So all we have to do is plug in x, replace all x's by 1. That will give you f of 1 equal to 5 times 1 minus 1. Right? 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 1 will give you 4. So 1, 4. Then we plug in 0. What is f of 0? That will be 5 times 0 minus 1. 5 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is negative 1. Okay, and last one, we're going to find out f of negative 1. Same concept, 5 times negative 1 minus 1. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, minus 1 is negative 6. So the answer is negative 1, negative 6. Now last one, we're going to write an equation for this table. Y equals to mx plus b. So all we need to know is the slope. So to find slope, you're going to see the pattern of x and y. So the x value, the pattern in x value is increasing by 1. Negative 2 plus 1 give you negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 give you 0. And 0 plus 1 give you 1. The y value is increasing by 4. So negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So slope is rise over run, right? We know that for the graph. Now on the table, you will have the change in y over the change in x. Okay, change in y in this case is your 4. And change in x in this case will be 1. Okay, 4 over 1, which is 4. So your slope is 4. Okay, your beginning, what is your beginning here? Beginning is the y-intercept, is when your x-axis is 0. So the beginning in this case is 0, 1. That is your beginning, so b is 1. Now we can put them all together as an equation. Y equals to 4x plus 1 as the final answer. And that's it for today's Quizette. Okay, please go ahead and take out your CAS week 18. We're going to be on problem 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. This video is for 8th grade students and this for CAS countdown. We are on week 18, problem 2. Enrique says that the value of square root of 1 over x is rational number for any positive, non-zero integer value of x. Select all the values of x that could be used as the counterexamples to show that Enrique's conjecture is false. Okay, there's a lot of things going on here. I'm not sure if you understand every single word, so we're going to go over each of them. Enrique says that the value of square root 1 over x is rational number. Okay, as usual question, what is rational? Okay, for any positive non-zero integer value of x. Alright, so what is rational? Rational is a number you can write in fraction form. Okay, a positive, we know what positive is, non-zero integer, which means any number that bigger than 0. It can be 1, 2, 3. It cannot be negative, and it have to be a whole number. So basically, they say any positive non-zero integer of x. They mean the whole number. Okay. Actually, no, they mean the natural number because whole number is 0 also included. Okay, so any number, a whole number without 0. And select all the value of x that could be used as the counterexample. What is counterexample? Okay, alright, counterexample is the example to say someone wrong. It's the example that proves someone wrong. Okay, so this means that his conjecture is not correct. Okay, so square root of 1 over x can be rewritten as square root of 1 over square root of x, right? So square root of 1 is 1, square root of x is square root of x. So we need to find a perfect square number so that you can take the square root off. So give me a couple of perfect square number that you have in your mind right now. Okay, so perfect square number is the number that multiplies itself twice. For example, 1 times 1 is 1, that's its perfect square number. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. And 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. So on and so forth. So that is the big idea, the perfect number for x, so that when you take the square root, they will give you a rational number. Okay, so as the example down below, you see that they have x is 1, and our perfect square number is 1, so this is good. We don't have 2, so 2 will be one of the counter examples to say that is wrong, because we cannot take square of 2. Okay, this means that 1 over square of 2, based on our format here. Okay, 4. So 4 is one of the answer. 5 is not a perfect square number. It's going to be a counter example. 8, we don't have 8. The next perfect square number is 9. So 8 is another counter example. And 9 is the correct answer. So the answer for counter example is x equal to 2. I'm sorry about that. X equal to 2, equal to 5, and x equal to 8. Okay, that pretty much is it for problem 2. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you on the next video.